Hello, I'm Ravi Tirkadar. In the next few minutes, we would like to know about how blockchain is transforming the digital world with the applications and combinations of the digital Web3 applications. So, once we know that there are many applications which ensure and improve blockchain, we know blockchain is a chain of blocks with many content and linked to one another. Why it is important? Because of its trust, security, and transparency. Because of this, many industries are being transformed. We know that there are many applications which enhance the efficiency of the systems across the wide areas of financial. Decentralized finance. There can be cross-border payments with the application of Ripple and Stellar. Also, fraud prevention and faster transactions are ensured with the application of blockchain. We know that the many of the applications, for example, cryptocurrency, evolving with specific features. Also, NFTs, that is non-fungible tokens, ensure the digital ownership and important for smart contracts across the many industries. And also, they are useful in some of the supply chain management practices, with making them more efficient. For example, tracking product authenticity in agriculture and supply chain. Example being IBM Food Trust and VChain. Reducing fraud in logistics because of the ensuring transparency in manufacturing and retail, so that the real producer get benefit from the such transactions. We know that one of the important application include healthcare and medical records because secure and interoperable health data, for example, MedBlog and medical chain, are ensuring the efficiency. Also, drug traceability and fraud prevention are important, ensuring patient-centric data ownership so that the customer feels very secure and also free to own it, and there will not be any sharing, undue sharing with others. Smart contracts for a property transaction formulate one of the applications in real estate and property management. It will reduce paperwork and fraud. Tokenization of real estate assets ensures proper record, and also can be having many advantages in terms of securing the assets in a proper way. There are also applications in government and public services. For example, voting systems are important and ensure blockchain based elections. Identity verifications, for example, self sovereign ID and UPort. Also, land registries and tax compliance can be modified and improved upon by using blockchain. There are also some of the systems where blockchain can be having very prominent application. These include education and certifications because immutable academic credentials ensure that the proper authenticity is maintained, also preventing fake degrees and certifications. Due to decentralized learning platforms, the benefits of education can be explored, and also with the higher efficiency can be restored the confidence as well as the true and authentic copies are maintained. We know that cybersecurity is one of the important component, and in this also blockchain application will be important because decentralized storage solutions, for example, Filecoin and RV are one of the examples. So protection against hacking and data breaches are ensured with the application of the technology. We know also that apart from this, there are many issues with respect to application of blockchain because it is being a peer-to-peer energy trading, for example, Power Ledger and LO3. In this context, sustainability becomes important because carbon credit and tracking and green initiatives because of the renewable energy systems can be more important and for the long-term usage. We know also that the many of the technologies can be benefiting, including gaming and virtual worlds. Blockchain-based games, Axie Infinity and Decentraland are catching the attention of the youth. Also, we talked about NFTs. So, NFTs for in-game assets are important, and because of the transparent gaming economy, it can be playing many role in the upcoming times. We also know that another application of blockchain is media and entertainment because royalty tracking for musicians and artists so that real benefit to the owners who create can be important. Also, preventing privacy and copyright infringement. Decentralized content platforms are important in the sense that they can be easily managed and managed by the clients or owners. However, there are also challenges and future of blockchain applications which depend on many of the parameters. For example, scalability and energy consumption, regularity uncertainty, because many governments differ with respect to how it can be regulated so that some system can be kept in place. Also, there can be adoption barriers, and future trends depend on the developments on all these things. So, there are issues in case of applications, but they are not insurmountable. So, now let us see how many of the applications are important across the industry. How blockchain is reshaping industry. There can be many questions and clarifications as we move on because it is important to get clarification, also have clear cut views and avoid misconception. With this, let us move to new way of making revolution in Web3. So, decentralized internet powered by blockchain can be important. We also know that the evolution of Web 1 to Web 2 is very important, and to have full benefit of Web 2, the next feature will can be Web 3 with many of the features like permissionless and decentralized, where the customer can own the net and the benefits will be enormous. Once we know its importance, let us see what is Web3. Web3 is important in the sense that it is a decentralized internet powered by blockchain. So, from Web 1 to Web 2, there will be transition and also improvement in wider area of applications. We also know that The compared to Web 2 and Web 3, there are basic differences in terms of centralized versus decentralized, and also control, data ownership, payments, and security. However, to make it more applicable, there can be many combinations of technologies like Web3 decentralized identity, which is self-sovereign identity, and Web3 social media, for example, Lens protocol and Orchestra, decentralized autonomous organizations. They play very important role in making sure that Web3 will be more acceptable and also useful. However, like any other technology which will be having futuristic applications, scalability issues and high gas fees are one of the constraints. Also, regulatory uncertainty and compliance barriers. User experience challenges also there because they should meet many of the requirements of the satisfaction as well as advancement. We also know that combination of the technologies can be very important. For example, AI, IoT, and blockchain convergence. There are many opportunities and future trends. So, to sum up at all, it is important to know and get updated about the many opportunities, and there will be many key issues and clarifications which can be obtained by as we go into the details of this. Thank you.